Hey, good morning. I wanted to take a second and do a walkthrough to show you how to access the Zoom links for all of our classes and to show you how you can subscribe to our training calendar and have that on your personal calendar so that all you have to do every day is open your phone and see what's going on in the office and click the link to join. You won't have to go multiple places to find the link and figure out, try to remember what time it is and all of that. So first you'll go to mykw.kw.com. That's our intranet. You log in, and once you're logged in, you go down to the middle here and it says My Market Center Intranet. You click on that. It'll take a second to pull up. And then you will click over here to View Calendar. Okay, the top bar right here where it shows the month and everything, you'll click subscribe. Now I have already created some subscriptions, so yours will be red like this and say set up now if you have not previously done this. So I want the office training calendar. So you would click there and it would be a set up now, and then you just will choose which one you want. I want other. I want it to go to my Gmail calendar. If you use a different calendar, you'll select that. So I said other, and now I'm going to highlight this HTTP, this URL. I'm going to copy it. And now I'm going to come over to my calendar and open my calendar up. I love the Gmail calendar. I like all the things Google. It makes life easier for me. You would just open up whatever calendar you prefer. And then see, it's already on here, but I want to show you what it looks like if it's not. So I'm going to exit out and remove it. Okay, now what you'll do is click the plus button under other calendars and it'll give you some options here. Choose from URL and then paste that URL that you just copied from the MyKW so that you can have it. Now add calendar. Once you do that, it'll show up in your calendar and you can go back to see it, and now it's showing up. So hopefully that makes life a little bit easier and simpler for you guys. So for instance, for today's Ignite, all you would do is open your calendar, check what you've got going on for the day, and the link is there to click right in the pop-up box. You don't have to dig further for it. We hope that makes life easier for you. If you have missed any training lately, most of them have been recorded and uploaded to our YouTube page. So search KW Montgomery in YouTube and you should be able to find all of our most recent classes. I'm constantly uploading. I think we've got part of the Ignite materials. It does take some time for the recording to download and then to get it uploaded, but just keep checking that and you will find great resources and classes that you've missed. You can catch up on those. Maybe there was something you wanted to catch and your schedule didn't allow for that day. So I hope you have an awesome day. Let me know if there's anything we can do to help you with. Bye.